Once upon a time in the busy city of Brightville, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily had a zest for life and a love for exploring new things. However, she had a little problem: she was prone to impulsive buying. Whenever she wandered through the vibrant streets of Brightville, she couldn't resist the allure of colorful storefronts and enticing displays. One sunny afternoon, as Lily strolled through the city center, she spotted a charming boutique that had just opened. Its window was adorned with beautiful dresses and accessories, each seemingly calling out to her. Unable to resist, Lily found herself drawn into the store. Inside, Lily was captivated by the array of dresses, each more alluring than the last. The sales associate, recognizing a potential impulse buyer, warmly greeted her and encouraged her to try on some of the dresses. As she slipped into a stunning evening gown, Lily's reflection in the mirror filled her with delight. The dress seemed to be made for her, and she couldn't help but imagine herself wearing it to a special event. Her heart raced, and she was about to make an impulsive decision to purchase the dress when she recalled a piece of advice from her wise grandmother. If you find yourself tempted to make an impulsive purchase, her grandmother had said, take a step back and ask yourself some questions. Lily hesitated and decided to step out of the dressing room to take a breather. She found a cozy corner in the boutique and asked herself, do I really need this dress? Will I wear it more than once? Is it within my budget? As Lily pondered these questions, she realized that she had several dresses in her closet, and this one was quite similar to a dress she already owned. Moreover, the price tag was a little steep for her budget at the moment. Feeling grateful for her grandmother's wise words, Lily smiled at the sales associate and returned the dress to its hanger. She thanked the associate for her help and decided to leave the store empty-handed. As Lily walked away from the boutique, she felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. She had resisted the impulse to buy something she didn't truly need and had made a thoughtful decision. She decided to reward herself with a sweet treat from her favorite bakery instead. Over time, Lily continued to practice mindfulness and self-awareness whenever she felt the urge to make impulsive purchases. She started keeping a journal, noting her emotions and triggers when shopping. Through this practice, she discovered that shopping often filled a void during times of stress or boredom. To fill that void, Lily explored new hobbies and joined a local photography club. She found joy in capturing the beauty of Brightville through her camera lens and making new friends who shared her interests. As months passed, Lily's impulsive buying habits diminished, and she found herself saving more money. She realized that by being mindful of her spending, she could channel her resources towards experiences and opportunities that truly enriched her life. And so, in the vibrant city of Brightville, Lily's story became an inspiring tale of self-discovery and growth. Through her journey of mindfulness and self-awareness, she learned that happiness and fulfillment came not from impulsive purchases but from cherishing the present moment and making choices that aligned with her true desires and long-term goals.